Hello ladies and gents, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today's week number 4 word of the week is going to be safety. Now a lot of us have heard this word, I guarantee it. A lot of your parents use it. Oh, we gotta make sure we're being safe. Our teachers, make sure we are safe. In physical education, we gotta make sure we follow the expectations because we wanna be safe. Now if you don't know what the definition for safety is, it's a rule or expectation put in place to prevent injury. Physical educator, the biggest thing is always safety because we want to make sure that students don't get hurt in any exercises or any activity. We want to make sure that we are being safe. We're going to dive into our Fast 5 workout number 4. So stay tuned and we'll get to that in just a moment. All right, so today's Fast 5 workout number 4 consists of 4 different exercises. The first one is going to be scissors. So what you're going to do is you're going to have 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, and then you're going to alternate going forward and backwards like this. Kind of like how a scissor cuts, okay? Those are scissors. 2, we have lateral squats that are walking lateral squats. So we're going to go 4 to our right, stay low, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go back to the left 4 times. And we're going to continue doing this for 30 seconds, okay? Then we have transfer ball with push-up. So if you have a ball or sock ball, highly recommend this. We're going to get into a push-up plank position. And what we're going to do is we're going to place the ball in our hand and we're just going to roll it over back and forth. Okay, so that's going to be our push-up position with a ball. Last but not least, exercise number 4 is going to be our windmills. We're going to go feet a little wider than our shoulder width apart. Right hand goes across and we're going to touch our left toe. Left hand comes up, touch your right toe. So we're going to come up high to low, high to low. Make sure you are not going on your back doing this. We're not swimming, but we're actually reaching up high, going down low, coming back up high, reaching across, okay? So stay tuned. We'll get into that Fast 5 workout in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go, scissors. You're going to start with the left or your right, so completely up to you. Going forward and backwards. You guys got. Remember, breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. 5 minutes. That's all we're gonna do. Work hard for 5 minutes. All right, moving on. We got lateral squats. Walking. 4, 2, 3, 4. Going back. 1, 2, 3, 4, one back. 1, 2, 3, 4, one back. And your feet should never cross. They actually should kind of tap side to side. Step and replace. All right, we're moving on. We got those transfer push-ups. I'm going to start with my right hand to my left to right. Quick break. Okay, go on your knees, go back up. All right, moving on. Windmills. We're going right hand, cross over to the left foot. And up high again. Back and forth. All these windmills. Garcia is sweating. Working hard. That's okay, we all have different levels, different speeds. Do your best, don't give up. Our last exercise for round number 1. All right, 1 minute water break. Working hard, I love it. Keep up the good work. Don't give up. off, shake it off. Got it. Woo! Let's go. Alright, let's go. Round 2. Scissors, let's go. Ooh, I feel a pinch in my hamstring. Keep working hard. Once you get to a nice rhythm, keep it up. Don't give up. Lateral squats, walking. Get low, walk to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay low. Back. 2, 3, 4. Pull back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. Stay low. Keep working hard. Don't give up. All right, moving on. Got those push-up transfers ball. See how many you can do in this round. Like windmills. Last exercise, let's go. Make sure you stand all the way up. No cheating. Across the body. Give up with me, folks. And time. You did it. Congratulations. Well, ladies and gents, I am so proud of you for working hard, continuing to not give up. Keep up the good work. Don't quit. The more you guys do these exercises or these workouts, the more your body's going to adjust to it and you're going to feel so much better. So continue to work out with me. Do our Fast 5 workouts, all of our series. This is our 4th video, so if you have not checked out 1, 2, or 3, definitely check those out. Get your family involved, get your friends involved, get your siblings involved, because you know what? It's gonna be so much more fun when you have more people involved with you in these workouts. So, as always at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a fun activity and it's called pop-up. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so for this activity, you're only gonna need a few household items. You're gonna need some sock balls and you're gonna need at least 1 or 2 hats. So level 1, you're gonna go straight up, and then Jordan's gonna use his hand-eye coordination to get the hat and catch the sock ball in midair. So level 1 is pretty simple. He's just nice and easy, right to him, and he's gonna catch it. After you catch it in the hat, go ahead and throw it down to the floor so you can catch the next one. And then that is level 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we got 4 points for both of us. We are a team, so we got 4 points for our team. All right, so now for level 2, instead of going straight at Jordan, now I'm gonna throw it to the right, and then I'm gonna throw it to the left. And he's gonna have to try to use his hands and his eyes to grab the sock ball in midair. So here we go. Level 2. It's 1 point for us, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, and 5 points. Nice job, Jordan. All right, now, so for level 1, we went straight at him. At Jordan, he had to catch it. Level 2 was right and left. Level 3 is gonna go high and low, and Jordan's gonna either have to squat down and catch the ball before it hits the ground, or go up high and catch the soccer ball before it hits the ground. All right, so here we go. Level 3. Go. 1 point for our team. 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect score. Great job, Jordan. All right, so now if you wanted to make a level 4 or make it just a challenge, what you can do is we already went straight at Jordan, we went high and low, we went right and left. Now you can put all of those together and Jordan's gonna have to figure out where the ball's going and how he's gonna get it. So. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect score. Great job, Jordan. All right, so it's now my turn to catch. Jordan's gonna be the tosser. Again, level 1, he's gonna throw it straight at me. Level 2, to the right and left. Level 3, high and low. Level 4, he's gonna mix match, and I'm gonna have to be able to catch it. I recommend getting a nice athletic stance, feet shoulder width apart, ready to catch. Level 1. 1. Oh, I dropped it. 2. 3. And 4. All right, level 2. All right, level 2, right and left. That's 1 point. 2 points. 3 points. 4 points. And 5 points. All right, moving on to level 3. 1. Oh, 2. Oh, I dropped it. That's 3. All right, so we only have 3 points in level 3. Now, level 4 / challenge. Jordan's gonna throw it high, low, left, right, and I gotta be able to catch it. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game pop-up. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
Drop a comment below. How did you guys feel about the activity? Was it harder than it looked? Because I know it was for me. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And again, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.